Creating our island dream home has been an exercise in going with the flow. Whether it's water flowing into our house.
Oh no! This whole garage is flooded.
Or delayed permits that have inspired us to take the existing house and make some bold, colorful design choices to enjoy right now as a family, while we wait for the big renovation. The rainbow palette is coming together. We've got the pink kitchen, blue living room, purple guest room, and today we're going green. I'm Kate.
I'm Joey.
I'm Moon.
And we're Mr. Kate. Let's get creatively colorful today.
And a meerkat's coming too.
Big project today.
Big project today. The playroom is super, super important because it's just like a mess. No organization, no design. We could figure out to just surprise him with like a couple things. I mean, obviously he's gonna see the paint. We'll work on some things with him.
What's that, buddy? Oh,
Okay.
try scooping that rock back there. You see that rock back there? Try scooping that one up. What is it? What's quick?
Paint the walls.
Yeah.
We should definitely do a puppet show DIY with that big closet. So we could do like a cutout on one of the closet doors. We could make it like maybe even like island vibes with like thatching. I don't know. I
Yeah.
can see it in my head.
Oh, I love that.
And then just like organization, you know, shelving, baskets, not overloaded with toys, art on the wall, right? That sound like a good plan?
Sounds like a
Yeah.
good plan.
Okay.
This is gonna be a fun episode.
It's gonna be a good day.
You have no idea what you're about to be in for, buddy.
I found it. Let me see. Probably should cook this and eat it in our salad.
Oh, you wanna cook that and eat it?
Yeah.
I don't want to hold that.
Wow.
Dada, it's our food.
Today I'm gonna eat that.
You're gonna eat this for breakfast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This old
We're gonna cook it.
sandy cactus leaf?
We're gonna cook it and eat it in our salad.
Okay.
A playroom has become an essential part of our daily life, so it makes sense for us to get this room finished ASAP. We want this room to obviously inspire Moon's imagination, but also be zen and easy to clean so that every day we can start fresh. As you know, we have made the bold choice to go with like a rainbow color palette throughout the whole house, doing a monochromatic single color in each room, but obviously all different colors. This room is no exception. Green is a wonderful color for a playroom. It's very restful, not overstimulating, so yeah, green.
So I got one of the closet doors here. We are going to repurpose it and turn it into the puppet show. I'm using a straight edge to just draw my square and then my router to cut the hole. You don't need a router. You could use a jigsaw. You could use a handsaw, karate chop the whole thing. I don't know.
To not buy too much stuff, have minimal supplies, we are using the piece that Joey cut out from the closet door to be the sign for the puppet show. So we're gonna cut kind of an irregular shape out of it, make it look a little bit different than just the plain cutout, and I'm gonna have Moon help me decorate this part. Okay, the idea with this is we're gonna make this Moon's puppet shack. This opening, obviously, where the magic happens. I thought a thatched roof would be super cute because we have the leftover palm fronds from the holiday decor. So I'm gonna do that over here, kind of make this look like a little.
What's happening?
My assistant is prepping the supplies.
You're gonna use all those paintbrushes?
Yeah.
I wanted above the thatch roof to have, you know, just kind of maybe like a night sky sunset looking thing. Maybe the moon like peeking out a little bit. And then after the thatch roof down here, Moon and I are going to paint a sign that says Moon's Puppet Shack all over that. Yeah.
Did you mix the colors together?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool.
You can paint with your fingers.
But I don't have gloves.
Well, it's called finger painting. I don't think you've actually ever finger painted before.
Not on the wet one.
Yeah, you put your fingers in wet paint and you paint with them.
Mom, he's
called
civilized. He knows how to use a brush.
I love that he's like,
I know how to use a brush.
I know you know how to use a brush. I just thought it might be fun to use your fingers, no?
No.
Oh, sometimes that's what kids do.
Sometimes not do that.
I love that he wants gloves. We've taught him well. It's like, with my bare hands? Where are my gloves?
Hey, are you taking a lunch break?
Really hot right there.
Not
But
on
where I'm gonna let you touch right here is not hot, okay? So here, Mama will show you how I'm gonna do it. So put a little line on here. Pull that up slowly. Yep. Okay.
I'm helping you.
I know, you're helping me a lot.
Then we're gonna be done.
Then we're gonna be done.
And then
Done and done and done.
Then we're gonna do Mamuka.
And then we'll drink Mama Muka, yeah. Okay, so I have the sign piece. I wanted Moon to just do whatever he wanted, painting wise. Have to admit, I thought he was gonna go a little more bananas and add more paint, but he chose to do a very minimal, kind of modern look, digging it. So now I'm just gonna add just some simple hand lettering, Moon's Puppet Shack, which obviously is a cute play on the whole thatched roof island vibe. And yeah, we're just gonna mount it to the bottom of the door.
I love these non-toxic foam mats because it's like such a great tool to cover this hideous porch. Eventually, we're thinking that this actually is going to become our primary bedroom, but for now it's going to be Moon's indoor-outdoor playroom.
To have this playroom suited for non-small people, because we as a family are always hanging out and playing with Moon, I wanted to have some seating in our outdoor area of the indoor-outdoor playroom. So we're using this really low-profile, super comfy sectional. It's modular, so you just fit the pieces together, and they're filled with like kind of a bead thing that molds to your body. It's super comfy and easy to just fall into.
I mean, let's be honest, it's a beanbag shaped as a couch. We might as well have beanbags in like every room of this house. Why not? So a really interesting thing about older homes in Hawaii that we're learning, like with our house, is that they were built using a style called single wall construction. So a lot of the homes that you're used to seeing, that we're used to working in, are double wall construction, where you basically have framing inside of the walls. You use studs to frame up your walls and then you put drywall on top of them. Not the case here. So this wall is just 3/4 of an inch thick plank redwood that's just basically sandwiched together, and that's what's holding up your roof. The problem is, it's very easy to screw into the room behind you.
He poked through the other side.
It's okay, we haven't painted the bedroom yet.
I love that our line of wall art is so versatile. You can use it in playrooms and kids' rooms. So I love the black and white lettering of hello, creative weirdo, make more art. I just think they're wonderful sentiments to have around a kid. And also this when in doubt, dance it out print with the sketched flowers is really cute together. Moon loves to dance. Okay, we couldn't have a modern playroom without one of these wonderful convertible guys. This one is the Nugget sofa. Basically became all the rage during the pandemic because kids stuck at home all of a sudden were using their sofas as climbing things and tent making things. So I've been very curious to see how owning one of these affects Moon's play. So it's pretty cool. Like you can make tents out of it, you can make slides. So we're all about the imagination in this room. For those of you organization enthusiasts out there, feast your eyes on my tiny baskets. The intention with this, you have small open baskets where the kids can see exactly what's in them, but it's not an overwhelming amount of toys. So just this like nice shallow basket, easy for him to grab, lightweight, can pull it off the shelf, bring it down, play with what he wants to play with, and then we can put it back. Everything's exposed, nothing's behind doors or cabinets, but it's all organized. Pina coladas all day, virgin of course. Okay, you know what? I'm not a puppet actor. Let's move on. How cute is this rug? And it's so soft. There we go, down here. How cute is this stool? It was listed as a footstool, but I was like, this would be the cutest little kid's chair. So this is his little stool here at this awesome, gigantic table, which has these drawers that are bins. We're learning a lot about living in Hawaii, and since this house has no central AC and the weather is just so nice all the time, you have your doors open. So the fact that we have this patio just right off of Moon's playroom makes it perfect to have an indoor-outdoor playroom. We're always outside playing as well. It's fully covered, so when it rains, no problem. And it's just one of those things that is truly incredibly unique to living in the islands, that you can have a year-round outdoor playroom. Why not? All right, I think this is such a magical space. I love how it turned out, but of course, it's not for me, it's for Moon. So let's go get him, show him the space, see how he plays in here. I mean, I'm excited. I'm excited to play in here. Let's go get him.
Just woke up from his nap.
What the?
back? What do you got there?
You can climb under her butt. Oh, yay! A snowshoe rabbit came hopping by. He stopped for a moment to admire his winter coat. It was then